Ladies and gentlemen, this is the new video guide dedicated to help you remove the adware, which is called Operation Review. So, speaking about Operation Review, this is the adware that specifically attacks Mac computers. This adware, by the way, is from the adload family. The adware called Operation Review specifically attacks Safari, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and other Mac browsers. This adware is called like that because it shows the great portion of intrusive advertisements which are not related to the sites that you visit. Operation Review adware is typically spread through fake Adobe Flash Player update alerts. Operation Review adware also may perform the functions of spyware by permanently spying on the user's browsing activities, collecting some browsing-related data, and performing some other illegal actions. So if you have discovered this Operation Review program to be the part of your Mac, you should access the Finder, check your applications, right-click on this program and move it to the trash. Of course, if you see any other suspicious programs here, get rid of them too. Finally, my recommendation is that you also research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program. After it gets successfully installed into your Mac computer, Combo Cleaner would first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. Click on Start Combo Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, of course, but even the trial version has got several free features such as disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. So you need to wait until the scanning is successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Then at the end of the scan you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on your computer. So take your time until the scanning is over. Based on that summary of threats, you'll see the clear picture of what is happening with your Mac. We recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected and to keep your entire Mac computers free of any other possible threats.